Hey everyone, welcome back to MMO Channel, your go-to source for the latest in crypto, blockchain, and everything XRP. Today we're diving into some huge developments around Ripple and XRP that could reshape the financial world by 2025. If you're holding XRP or thinking about jumping in, you won't want to miss this. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We're here to keep you ahead of the curve in the fast-moving world of crypto. Now, let's get into it. Big things are coming for XRP, and we're breaking it all down right now.
Aspect of that and bringing on things like CSDs into the equation. How do you make these things coexist, but how do you accelerate so you get more benefit?
Yeah, that's probably where I'm a bit more bullish on the adoption of these assets. I mean, we think every asset's going to be on chain. This technology benefits the issuer, the infrastructure, the investor for numerous reasons. So it's inevitable that this is coming. And you mentioned central securities depositories. And for those that don't know, like DTCC, Euroclear, they're kind of the books and records for a lot of publicly traded securities. And every single one of them, Euroclear, Clearstream, DTCC, these guys are looking at tokenization.
XRP is anticipated to make significant strides in 2025, driven by growing utility in tokenized assets and broader adoption. Imagine this. What if the asset you're holding today could be at the center of a financial revolution in just a year? XRP is being talked about as the next big thing in 2025. This isn't just hype. There are strong signals pointing to something massive on the horizon. Experts and investors aren't randomly picking 2025. They see it as a game-changing year for XRP. The reason? Tokenization is exploding. XRP isn't just another cryptocurrency. It plays a key role in facilitating real-world asset transactions, making cross-border payments faster and more efficient. As more assets get tokenized, XRP's value could skyrocket. And here's the kicker. Major banks and institutions are getting on board. When the biggest players in finance start leveraging XRP for their operations, demand and value could surge overnight. This isn't speculation. It's already happening behind the scenes. So ask yourself, are you ready for what's coming? 2025 might be the year XRP reshapes the financial world. If you're holding XRP, this could be the moment you've been waiting for. Don't miss out. The future is closer than you think. Ripple joined the International Swaps and Derivatives Association, ESDA, in 2023, alongside 1,000-plus global institutions, expanding its reach into the $700 trillion derivatives market. Let me put this into perspective. Ripple isn't just making small moves. They've joined the International Swaps and Derivatives Association in 2023. This isn't some random club. ISDA includes over 1,000 of the world's biggest financial institutions. Why does this matter? Because the ISDA operates at the core of the $700 trillion derivatives market. That's right, trillion. By becoming part of this network, Ripple now has direct access to a market that dwarfs the entire cryptocurrency space. This isn't just about Ripple gaining a seat at the table. It's about influencing how derivatives are tokenized and settled on blockchain technology. And guess what? XRP is at the heart of it. This positions Ripple to play a leading role in reshaping financial infrastructure globally. So when you hear about Ripple's ISDA membership, think bigger. This isn't just another partnership. It's a game-changing move that could put XRP at the center of one of the largest financial markets in the world. Ripple's leadership predicts that all assets will eventually be on-chain, accelerating the adoption of tokenized financial instruments such as securities and derivatives. Picture this: a world where every asset you can think of, from stocks to real estate, exists on the blockchain. That's not just a wild idea. It's exactly what Ripple's leadership is predicting. They believe all assets will eventually be on-chain. This shift isn't just about digitizing assets. It's about tokenizing financial instruments like securities and derivatives. By moving these massive markets to the blockchain, Ripple is paving the way for faster, more efficient transactions with fewer intermediaries. And here's the exciting part. Derivatives alone represent over $700 trillion in value. Imagine even a small fraction of that being tokenized and settled using Ripple's technology. It's a market opportunity on a scale most cryptocurrencies can only dream of. The takeaway? Ripple isn't just predicting the future. they're helping build it. As tokenization gains momentum, XRP could become a critical player in how global assets are managed and transferred. This isn't just evolution, it's a revolution in finance. Ripple and partners are actively engaging in initiatives to tokenize real-world assets, RWA, such as real estate, art, and securities, highlighting collaborations with financial institutions. Here's something to think about. Ripple isn't just talking about tokenization, they're actively making it happen. Through strategic partnerships, they're working on tokenizing real-world assets, RWA, everything from real estate to art and securities. Why does this matter? Tokenizing these assets makes them easier to trade, transfer, and fractionalize, opening up new opportunities for investors and institutions alike. It's about turning physical assets into liquid, digital forms that can move across borders in seconds. Ripple isn't doing this alone. They're collaborating with major financial institutions that already dominate traditional markets. These partnerships aren't just symbolic. They're essential for bringing tokenized assets into the mainstream financial ecosystem. The bottom line? Ripple's focus on real-world assets puts them ahead of the curve. As more assets are tokenized, Ripple's technology and XRP could become the go-to solution for managing and settling these digital assets. This isn't just a trend. It's the future of finance taking shape. Robinhood's 2025 acquisition of Bitstamp, which supports XRP Ledger XRPL, positions XRP for expanded use in the derivatives market. Stablecoins issued on XRPL further boost this growth. Here's a headline you can't ignore. Robinhood is set to acquire Bitstamp in 2025. Why is this big news for XRP? Because Bitstamp is one of the oldest and most XRP-friendly exchanges out there, fully supporting the XRP Ledger XRPL. This acquisition does more than just expand Robinhood's crypto offerings. It positions XRP for broader use in the growing derivatives market. With Bitstamp's infrastructure and Robinhood's massive user base, XRP could see unprecedented adoption and liquidity. Adding to the momentum, stablecoins are already being issued on the XRP ledger. These stablecoins create a solid foundation for trading and settlement, which further strengthens XRP's role in derivatives and tokenized finance. The key takeaway? Robinhood's move to acquire Bitstamp isn't just a business deal. It's a strategic play that could supercharge XRP's growth in one of the largest and most valuable sectors of the financial world. This is a partnership to watch closely. Ripple's association with the BIS and the Central Bank of Central Banks solidifies its role in shaping tokenized financial market infrastructure globally. Let this sink in. Ripple isn't just working with banks. They're aligned with the Bank for International Settlements, BIS, often called the Central Bank of Central Banks. This is the institution that guides global monetary policy and financial standards. By partnering with BIS, Ripple isn't operating at the fringe of finance. They're at the core of shaping the future of tokenized financial markets. This association means Ripple's technology could play a role in how central banks tokenize assets and settle cross-border transactions. Think about the scale. The BIS works with central banks that control trillions in assets. Ripple's involvement signals that XRP and the XRP ledger could become essential components in the next generation of financial infrastructure. In short, Ripple's partnership with BIS isn't just impressive, it's a game changer. This level of collaboration puts Ripple in a prime position to influence how global finance evolves in the coming years. If you're watching the crypto space, this is the alliance to keep your eye on. Ripple's primary target is the derivatives market, aiming to tokenize and facilitate daily settlements, unlocking immense value across financial sectors. Let's talk about the big money. Ripple isn't chasing small markets. Their primary focus is on derivatives, one of the largest financial sectors, valued at over $700 trillion globally. That's more than stocks, bonds, and real estate combined. By targeting derivatives, Ripple is positioning itself to tokenize and facilitate daily settlements of these massive contracts. This means faster, cheaper, and more transparent transactions across the financial world, a major upgrade from the current slow and costly system. Why does this matter? Derivatives drive global finance. If Ripple can streamline this market, they're not just adding value, they're redefining how trillions of dollars move daily. It's a shift that could ripple, pun intended, through the entire economy. The takeaway? Ripple isn't just betting on the future, they're building the infrastructure for it. By focusing on derivatives, they're unlocking immense value and placing XRP at the center of a financial revolution. This is where the real transformation begins. Major central banks, including the Bank of England, are embracing Ripple's technology, emphasizing XRP's growing institutional adoption. Here's the headline. Major central banks aren't just exploring blockchain, they're actively embracing Ripple's technology. Institutions like the Bank of England are already integrating Ripple into their systems, signaling serious institutional adoption of XRP. When central banks get involved, it's not just experimentation. It's about modernizing financial infrastructure on a national and global scale. Ripple's solutions help these banks settle payments faster, reduce costs, and enable cross-border transactions in real time. This adoption by central banks strengthens Ripple's position as a trusted player in global finance. It's not just startups or fintech companies. The biggest players in monetary policy are backing Ripple's technology, adding credibility and boosting XRP's long-term value. Bottom line, if central banks are using Ripple, the future looks bright for XRP. This level of institutional adoption could drive wider acceptance and higher demand, making XRP a key component in the next evolution of global finance. XRP is expected to disrupt the financial ecosystem, potentially driving new all-time highs by enabling seamless, large-scale tokenized transactions. What if the next financial revolution is already underway, and XRP is at the heart of it? Ripple's technology is poised to reshape how the world moves money, and it's not just hype. XRP's ability to handle massive, seamless tokenized transactions could disrupt the financial ecosystem on a global scale. The driving force? Tokenization of real-world assets. As everything from real estate to derivatives goes digital, XRP's speed and efficiency make it the perfect tool for transferring and settling these assets. This shift could create unprecedented demand for XRP. Here's the exciting part. Disruption breeds opportunity. With XRP playing a key role in this transformation, the potential for new all-time highs is very real. As financial institutions adopt Ripple's tech, XRP's value could skyrocket. The message is clear. This isn't just another crypto trend. XRP is positioning itself as a core pillar of the future financial system. If you're watching for the next big market move, this might be it. XRP holders are encouraged to stay focused and patient, as broader market adoption and institutional connections lay the foundation for transformative growth by 2025. Big things take time, and XRP is no exception. While the wheels of market adoption turn, Ripple's connections with major institutions and central banks are quietly laying the groundwork for something huge. 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year. For XRP holders, the message is clear. Patience is key. The pieces are falling into place, from tokenization initiatives to derivatives market expansion. This isn't just speculation. It's a strategic buildup that could lead to massive growth. Remember, market transformations don't happen overnight. XRP's integration into global financial systems is a process, but when it clicks, the potential rewards could be game-changing. Staying focused now could pay off significantly in the near future. The bottom line? If you're holding XRP, stay the course. The signs point to transformative growth by 2025. In a market driven by long-term vision, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a winning strategy. As we wrap this up, it's clear that XRP is positioning itself for a groundbreaking shift in the financial world. From partnerships with central banks and major institutions to the growing tokenization of real-world assets, Ripple's long-term strategy is laying the foundation for massive growth by 2025. Whether it's through the derivatives market or the seamless movement of tokenized assets, XRP's potential is hard to ignore. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates on XRP, blockchain innovations, and market insights. Join the conversation. Connect with other XRP enthusiasts by joining our Telegram community. The link is in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, stay patient, stay focused, and we'll see you in the next video.